Right? Now, let us do a couple of questions and understand the implementation of odd and even number rules better. Alright? Great. Go to read the first question.
If P is an even integer and Q is an odd integer, which of the following must be an odd integer?
Great. So, it said that P is an even integer and Q is an odd integer. Which of the following must be an odd integer? This is a must be kind of a question. Now, for must be question, all that you got to say is in the answer choices, you need to get an instance where it need not have to be, right? You can eliminate such answer choices. Focus is on elimination rather than selection in case of must be questions, right? So here it says, which of the following must be an odd number, right? Great. Now let us go answer choice with answer choices. Now first answer choice A. What is answer choice A?
P by Q.
Answer choice A is P by Q, right? Let's say P is equal to 6 and Q is equal to 3, right? P is even, Q is odd. So 6 upon 3 is equal to 2 and Q is clearly even number. It's not odd number, right? So we knock off answer choice C. Now read answer choice B.
PQ.
PQ is a?
Even.
It's always even. It's basically even number, right? When you multiply any number with an even number, you get an even number, right? Great. So we knock off answer choice B as well. And read answer choice C.
2P plus Q.
2P plus Q. 2P plus Q is?
Odd.
This is always odd, right? So 2P is even and Q is odd. So even plus odd is always odd, right? So we keep answer choice C. Now read answer choice D.
2 of P plus Q.
2 into P plus Q. And this is?
This is always even.
Always even, right? Great. So we knock off answer choice D as well. And read answer choice E.
3P by Q.
3P by Q. So we already said that P by Q can be even, right? In answer choice A. So 3 into even can be even, right? Therefore, we can knock off answer choice E as well, right? Hence, we are left with answer choice C, and that should be the correct answer, right? Is that clear?